back to the channel. It's Stock09 bringing y'all another video. And for those that are new to the channel, like, share, and subscribe. All right, I'm doing this video a brief update. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. Dealing with this thing called life, man. But got some things we gotta talk about. Check my inboxes. A lot of people been asking about the Scorpion races.
Space. He ain't catching that. I told you, space, boy. Can't fuck with soccer.
White car for the fuck you win.
The yellow car by half a car or something.
Why I didn't film them, or why I didn't upload them. Most of them races I wasn't even there. You can check them out on Funzo, his YouTube, Yana's favorite on IG. They all on IG, but me personally, no, I didn't film him. Conflict, with my work schedule. By the time I was getting off, he was already on the road, headed down there to New Orleans or Louisiana or wherever he went. But I don't think he's gonna take a trip back down there anytime soon. That's what he say. He say he taking a break. He got the car in the shop. Finna make some changes. He say he finna come back a bolt-on car because he couldn't get no more races. That comes straight out his mouth, not mine. I ain't capping. I'm just going off what he said. But update on the Mustang though. All right. For those that haven't seen it on Facebook or my IG, I took the car to the track last weekend. First time at the track with the with the turbo setup, and it ran pretty good. I'm not going to disclose any numbers on what it ran. The first hit, car went pretty straight. Well, it went straight down. They got a little squirrely on the big end just to have. And then me, knowing myself, got greedy. Went and turned it up a little bit more, brought the ramp in, a little sooner than the last time, and I inserted a video of what happened on that pass, and I just went and called it a day because it kind of shook me up a little bit. I ain't had a close call like that ever. So once again, it's my fault because I tried to run slicks. Well, I was running slicks on the back and stockers on the front, and they say that is not a good idea. So I'm in the process of ordering some front runners for it now. Get the car aligned, everything straightened out, and make another hit. Yeah, it's dirty as hell. It's just been sitting since that weekend. I came home and parked it. But yeah, man, just I knew I was supposed to get all that stuff done before, but I was anxious, want to make a pass, want to see what it would do, and yeah, that's what happened. But we got some good stuff for y'all coming soon, man. I'm gonna be racing a few foreigns here, McLaren, a few Lambos, GTRs. Me and Scorpion are finally gonna race this year. Yes, it is coming soon as well. Me and Stroker Box, the Blue Box Chevy on my page as well. We will be racing soon, and a few other cars that y'all have seen on my channel. We gonna get together and make something shake. I'll also be introducing the ZL1 to the channel, which is female driven, part of the Shiftlets camp, and there's also a blue Hellcat that is female driven that will be broadcasted here shortly as well. So we're in the process of making something shake, give you guys something to look forward to. You might even see the ZL1 and the Hellcat go at it, little girl on girl action. Who got the baddest car? I don't know. We'll see how it goes. No, I ain't starting it. I'm just saying. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, man, I just want to touch base with y'all. Let y'all know I haven't forgot about y'all. I know been plenty of messages. Hey man, where yet? Where yet? He ain't did no video and nothing like that lately. But just been dealing with life and scheduling conflicts and stuff like that. But I got some free time now, so we're finna crank everything back up. So if you missed the shit talking, Scorpion with his analogy is him just being him acting a fool on camera, we finna bring all that back, and we finna get that thing cranked back up again. Y'all also finna see a lot of G-bodies. The Shark, the Devil, Chucky. Yes, sir. We all getting ready, getting everything back together. Everybody finna pop back up on the big screen. We finna make something shake. I'm also gonna be collabing with a lot of other YouTubers, Dark Knight, Boss 302, Nightmares, well, no, 302 Nightmares, Dark Knight, and a few others in the area. I'm trying to run It's Just a 6, but he won't respond to none of my messages. So if y'all see him, spread the word. I'll try his truck, or I'll try his Shelby from I'll try Shelby from a roll, and I'll try his truck from a roll. Or if you make it right, I'll try him from a dig in the street with this. Man, who gives a fuck? Fuck, it is what it is. But yeah, man, y'all know what time it is. We finna crank everything back up. And stay tuned, cause I don't know, I'm undecided. Should I go on and finish the build with the Mustang, what I had in mind, or should I trade it in and get something else? Well, sell it and get something else. I got my eye on another sports car that I've been, eyeing for a while, but I gotta see some more, results out of it before I decide if I want to make a move or not. But yes, sir, y'all got it. It's Stock 09. Y'all stay tuned. I'm back. We out.